I wanted to approach the real by making immaterial and invisible cosmic phenomena material and visible. I made an artistic framework to collect and store invisible energy that is all around us, to reveal how the world we experience is more active and alive than we know, or we perhaps realize in our day-to-day lives. When I am at the subrealm working, people stop at the window and they look in. They look up at the horn antenna above them. They see the sharp end of the square cone-like form, the antenna, points into the building, that it's attached to some boxes with lights on, and that these are in turn attached to a painting structure where a machine very slowly paints. So the structure of the installation's elements discloses the subject of the work. The subject of the work being the aggregation of invisible energy that's being collected by an object from the sky.